To me, traveling is not just seeing a destination, it's really living it, feeling it, smelling it, tasting it, and savoring it. And when I was planning my trip to Sicily, I realized that I was going to need some extra help. I wanted to fully experience this island. Absolute Sicilia went above and beyond in helping me make this trip incredible. I wanted to get behind closed doors and cook with grandmas. And well, they actually did just that. My parents and I were welcomed into the home of Chiara and her family for an informal cooking class. Her mother-in-law, Giovanna, the Nonna or grandma of the family, was our teacher. We were making a very southern Sicilian snack, Scaccia, a stuffed savory bread similar to a focaccia. It was hard work and required lots of kneading and attention to detail. Giovanna let us in on this secret recipe that has been passed down in her family for generations. And it was beautiful to be part of this Sicilian tradition as she passed down her wisdom to the next generation, especially to her own granddaughter, Emilia. Once the dough was ready, we filled each carefully, making sure the scaccia was full of eggplant or ricotta cheese, tomato and onion, some even stuffed with sausage and cheese. Giovanna taught me how to make dessert scacce filled with cream and chocolate. Bellissimo! Now it was baking time, and while they cooked, we enjoyed local cheeses, wine, and conversation. And finally, they were done, and it was time to eat. Our handmade beauties were perfectly imperfect, and I think that they tasted outstanding. Each one like a little present, with a surprise Sicilian goodness inside. As we tried all the scacce, we had lively chats and shared many laughs, and lots of stories, despite our different native languages. A translator helped us with the comprehension, but overall, we understood each other through the language of food. This whole night wouldn't have happened without Absolute Sicilia, and it was definitely one of our most memorable of our entire trip. Grazie mille to Giovanna, Vincenzo, Chiara, and Emilia. We left feeling like we had just met new family right here in Sicily.